I woke up this morning and I decided to make meat pie. And I started by cutting my Irish potato. You can see me cutting my Irish potato. I have not do meat pie for the first time. And I feel so good to do it. So now I'm cutting my carrots. I also got a carrot because I have watched a little bit of video about it. So this is my carrot. I'm cutting it size by size. So this is me finishing cutting the carrots. I cut it small size so it will cook very well while cooking it. So I had to bring my bowl out to start pouring my flour. So this my bowl. This my bowl. I've washed my bowl. Bring it out. Also pouring my flour inside, making sure that everything is come out perfect. So this is my 3 cup flour. I buy 3 cup for the first time. Let me just try and know if I can able to get it. So this is me pouring my flour inside my bowl. You can see me doing that. I have already sieved it. I sieved it the other day. I thought I would do the meat pie, but I could not able to do it that very day. So I now pack it back to the waterproof pack. So this is my baking powder. And this is my salt adding. After I add my butter, you can see me adding my butter. So this my butter adding into the flour after adding the baking powder, salt. So I begin to turn my tin jeje to jeje. I'm turning it. You can see me turning the flour with the butter. I want to make sure that everything marry themselves, everything combine to very well. So this is me doing my thing, turning it as a first time baking meat pie. So I have to do my best. It's not easy. My hand they pain me as I do this thing because I don't turn tire. I don't even know when to stop or to end it. So this is my cold water. I add my cold water and start turning, making sure that everything join together. So yeah, everything have married themselves. So I have turned it. I've already get tired. I was telling my mind who sent me message today. So this is me doing my best just to make it come out good. So after I turn everything, turn it and turn. I don't tire. Like I don't know where to stop my turning. So you can see me still doing it though. I'm still doing it. Like I'm still thinking whether I will just go and keep this in and rest. But I keep because I really want to achieve something. I need to try good things. I need to try new things. I need to know what I don't know. Because it's very important in every home. Know how to bake a little bit. If you are not a chef, at least you know how to bake if it's cupcake or meat pie. So that is what I'm trying to do. So I'm tying it in a nylon so I can able to go and put it in my freezer. This is me tying it very well to go and put it in the freezer. So this meal putting it in the freezer. I'm putting it in the freezer. My sister try to cool. So few more time, bring it out. I want to untie it. Let me tie it and see what is different. Before I keep it in the freezer, it was so strong, but now very soft. Like I see the difference. I see the reason why you have to put it in the freezer. I'm cutting my things small. See me cutting my things small. As I dey cut them, I just dey pray in my heart. Make this thing come out good. Make the thing come out good. So after I cut them, I just leave it aside and start frying my fillings and all that. This is my onions, my meat. I made a mistake while I'm doing this meat. I put it in my blender, but this thing did not even bring this very well. I don't even know the problem. After I eat my pot, I noticed that the meat is very big and I don't even know what to do again. I just let me go. This is my first time. If I made mistake other day, I will collect it. So this is me adding my carrot, Irish potato, trying to make the fillings and all that, I've watched, but know that I cannot get it perfectly as a first time. There must be a mistake. The big chef some chef make mistake. Talking of me that just trying it for the first time. So this is me doing my thing. I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my thing. Adding my Maggi cube. I have added my feelings. Add my salt. This my salt. Hey, I beg go small thing salt for around past this thing, but I just thank God that the salt not pass, because I forgot that I add salt in that my flour, and I add this one. Did I say the thing won't pass so? But later on the thing no grip pass again. I just thank God for everything. So this is me adding my curry powder inside the fillings. You know you have to spice this out. Everything will sweet. When you're eating it, you'll be enjoying it. After I add that one, I just dey look at it. Let me see what will happen. And I'm bringing out my Benny spice. That's my spices. I add Benny. I add that spices inside. I love that Benny spice. That two curry that you are seeing there, that is my favorite curry and Benny. I do not have lasso. Lasso is my own favorite spices again, but I don't have it at home, so I do not add it. And I add the ones I have. Next time I'll just prepare myself very well. This me turning it so that everything will touch everything that will marry themselves, everything will turn together, everything will touch themselves, hug themselves. So that is what I'm still doing, making sure that everything turns together. So after that, my sister, my brother is noise. I add my water so that the meat will also cook. This me adding my water, closing the pot, opening the pot, looking at my feelings. It's doing so amazing. I was so happy. And this me bringing my cornstarch to make it to have weight. I put my cornstarch so that it will yes, so that everything will be good. Now I close it. Yeah, I bring it out and it's cold. It's time to do the baking. It's time to do the dough. It's time to do the dough, guys. So this me I beg manage this voiceover. I don't even know where to start. I beg I dey beg. I don't know where to start to do this voiceover, because this voiceover dey easy for me. I not too like voiceover, because say the children they make noise while they do this video. So I decided to make voiceover. I know children do it days. So this me putting it my cutting meat pie cutter. I don't add my feelings. I add it and just praying that everything will come out good for me. Because I'm the type that always do something, and I would like to at least let it be good at all, not to worst. So this me pressing it so hard so that it will come out the way I want it, to my heart desire. I do it. I bless it with all my strength. So I beg no be small thing. Hey God, I do it. See, if you see how happy I am when I open this thing, everything cruise very well. I was so excited. You can see how smooth it is. Like, I feel so blessed. If you see how happy I am, I'm so happy at this time. So at this point, guys, I have covered it. I'm trying to roll another one. I'm so proud of myself at this point. I was so happy. I beg. I'm so happy. After everything, I got 5 in that 3 cup of flour. I got 5. So trying to cover it to lock egg. I hear that you have to lock egg on top of it. So I add it. I really want to do everything so that it will come out the way I want it. This me massaging it, massaging the egg on top of it. I massage it very, very well. I love it very, very well, so that I will not disappoint myself. This me so I will start the massage. They massage my thing so that it will come out good. So at this point, I have already opened my pot. I've heat my pot. The pot have already heat very, very well. So I'm trying to put my meat pie inside the oven, the local oven. This is our local oven. I've added to the local oven. This thing dey heat here. If you see how this thing dey heat here, e go run comot. Na so I add it o. Small time I come semi-colon check it. I now open it, guys. See, you see how hot it is. Hey, abeg o. Na so I open am, come see joy wey come out from my heart. Like, I was so happy. Like, I'm the happiest person ever today. So this is the meat pie I bake. I do so good. Like, the meat pie was so delicious. All the people that tasted was so proud of me. Like, they don't even believe that this is my first time. And this is the bottom of it. This is the egg that pour when I'm lobbing egg on it. So that is it. Did not burn. Thing did not burn. Like, I do so perfect. I do so good. I'm a good daughter. I'm a good apprentice. Yes, I'm a good apprentice. I learned what I that taught me. So I'm so happy, guys. Thank you so much. If you have watched to up to this side, God bless you so much. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe and do well to support me in any way you can. Thank you so much. Love you all.